Okay, here are the boys. They just had a bath. Here's Josh, standing up in his crib that his daddy's going to lower tonight because he is getting big. Hi, Josh. Joshua. Hey, Josh. Look at Mommy. Joshua. Hello. Say hi. Can you wave? There you go. Say hi. And here's Saden. Hi, Saden. That's a little 3-month-old baby I'm babysitting. Hi, little guy. Hi, Saden. Josh, why don't you go play with Saden? Oh, look at your little Elvis hairdo. You got a little Elvis hairdo. That's how his hair stays all the time. Whoa. Hi, cutie pants. Oh, no, you can't have that camera. You are too cute. Josh, say mama. Can you say mama? Mama. Okay, you gotta go sit down beside Saden. Sit down. Look it. Where's Saden, Josh? Oh, banging your head. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye, Josh. Wave. Joshua. Oh, what'd you find? Oh, you found a baby. Bye, Josh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look at you guys. So cute. You holding hands, Josh? Oh, no, you're just hitting. No, Joshua. Bye-bye. Hey. Joshua. Okay, you be nice. You are a rough little baby, hey? Okay, I'm gonna go get you guys dressed now. Josh, give a kiss. Give Saden a kiss. Whoa. You want to give Saden a kiss? No. Okay, gotta go. Joshua. Okay, bye.